Your liver is taking a quiet beating right now. Between processed foods, daily stress, and environmental pollutants, it is constantly working overtime, filtering out the noise of modern life. If you look online, the solution seems incredibly easy. You've probably seen claims that eating a few magic foods or drinking a specific juice will instantly flush out those toxins overnight. No medicine required. But as someone trying to make smart decisions for your long-term health, you're left trying to figure out where the actual nutritional science ends and the wellness marketing hype begins. The problem with standard short-term juice cleanses or crash detox diets comes down to basic biology. They do not magically scrub your organs clean. Most of the time, you're simply experiencing temporary water weight loss rather than actual liver repair. Long-term organ health depends on the daily metabolic building blocks your liver uses to function, rather than the temporary results of an overnight flush. Biologically, detoxification is an active process of enzymatic conversion, requiring much more than the physical cleansing often described online. This animated diagram shows the contrast. On the left is the internet's version, but look at the biological reality on the right. Your liver is a chemical processing plant. It relies on specific enzymes to take dangerous fat-soluble toxins and convert them into safe water-soluble waste that your body can easily eliminate. Here is the hidden trade-off of relying on extreme fasting or juice diets. By severely restricting your food intake, you deprive your liver of the proteins and amino acids it requires to run these natural conversions. Without those chains slotting into the enzyme gears, the entire chemical plant slows down. So how do we evaluate those 7 viral detox foods? We analyze them based on 2 factors: their actual chemical input to your body versus the daily lifestyle friction, like prep time, cost, and taste that they create. Protecting your liver requires trading the appealing fantasy of effortless cleansing for the reality of sustained, realistic dietary habits. Let's weigh your options. We start with the first category of functional foods, the enzyme activators. The heaviest hitter in this group is raw garlic. Look at this matrix. Under garlic's mechanism, we see sulfur compounds. Your liver needs these to activate metabolic enzymes that process waste. The trade-off is steep. Eating 1 to 2 crushed cloves daily causes bad breath, and for sensitive stomachs, serious gastrointestinal upset. The second activator is lemon. Its primary role is stimulating bile production, which aids your digestive system in breaking down fats. As a secondary benefit, lemons provide a concentrated dose of vitamin C, offering baseline systemic support for overall liver function. A daily warm lemon water habit seems easy, but it carries a physical friction point: its highly acidic nature. Over time, that acid will erode your dental enamel unless you manage it by drinking through a straw. Enzyme activators provide effective, low-cost metabolic inputs, but integrating them daily means you have to actively manage their direct physical side effects. Next, we evaluate the cellular protectors. These foods defend your liver cells against long-term cumulative damage. Turmeric is an effective protector. Its active compound, curcumin, targets systemic inflammation within the liver and aids in repairing damaged tissue. This chart reveals turmeric's massive friction point. Notice the low baseline absorption of plain curcumin on the left. The body barely absorbs it alone, but look at the spike on the right. That's the absorption when paired with black pepper and dietary fats. To get a return on your investment from turmeric, you must make intentional dietary adjustments. You have to construct a meal or drink that includes both black pepper and a fat source. Our other protector is beetroot. Its biological input is delivering a massive load of specific antioxidants, called betalains, which reduce oxidative stress in your organ. Beetroot also improves systemic oxygen flow throughout your bloodstream, increasing your liver's overall filtration efficiency. However, its friction profile is severe. It requires high prep time, creates a messy kitchen cleanup, and carries a strong, earthy taste. Many won't tolerate it long-term. Cellular protectors deliver studied anti-inflammatory benefits, but utilizing them demands significant prep time and culinary commitment to execute correctly. That brings us to our final category: foods that regulate fatty buildup and support long-term lipid metabolism. Avocados provide the chemical precursors your body needs to produce glutathione, a critical baseline compound used for liver defense. Walnuts contribute by delivering omega-3 fatty acids, which improve blood flow through the organ and reduce overall liver inflammation. But avocados and walnuts share a dangerous trade-off. They are calorie-dense and expensive ingredients to maintain. Careless overconsumption of these fats leads to a caloric surplus and weight gain. Excess weight causes fatty liver disease, negating the protective benefits you are trying to achieve. Green tea offers a different mechanism. Its specific antioxidants, known as catechins, support lipid metabolism and reduce the amount of fat stored in the liver itself. The friction for green tea comes down to timing and budget. Its caffeine content limits consumption windows for sleep-sensitive individuals, and high-quality matcha is expensive. Fat regulators are powerful biological tools, but they require strict portion control and budget management to ensure the cure doesn't become the poison. Your liver functions best with steady, low-grade support, maintained over years, bypassing the need for expensive medicines or temporary cleanses. This flowchart demonstrates how to build your personalized liver stack. The goal is to select only the foods whose friction you can realistically tolerate. We've mapped out 3 distinct paths based on your lifestyle. If you are short on time or budget, follow the first path. A simple daily stack of morning green tea and lemon provides a high ROI for minimal effort. If you are a routine optimizer, look at the middle path. Tolerating the high friction of raw garlic and properly preparing paired turmeric yields the highest overall anti-inflammatory impact for your body. And if you are actively managing your weight, follow the third path. Relying on beetroot and green tea provides robust liver protection while avoiding the caloric risks that come with nuts and avocados. But let's be clear, none of these stacks will offset the severe damage of chronic toxic overload or binge drinking. There is no biological loophole for a bad lifestyle. To achieve genuine organ longevity, you have to choose the routine that fits your lifestyle perfectly. Because when it comes to your liver, mundane consistency will always beat the illusion of a magic fix.